We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis when the price was within this move, we mentioned if we want to look for buy, let the price drop one more. At least we get one more drop. Okay, because we mentioned technically we can expect the price to drop, and this is exactly what we get. And we mentioned if we get any drop, we can expect the price to drop to 45.2 exactly, which the price even break and right now reverse. Now, want to see what's the next and how we can look for trade. Anyway, we remove this one. In this case, we move to daily chart. We want to see what we have based on daily chart. Okay. Again, if you refer to our analysis, we mentioned based on daily chart prices at the top. That's why if we want to look for buy based on lower time frame, we need to get the proper trade setup because we don't want to buy the top in case the it reverse or turn for TP correction. Anyway, if we move to forward chart, as we mentioned in my last analysis, we have been looking for this one for one more drop, and exactly this is what we get because we mentioned we're looking for the flat, and from there any reversal we can look for buying. But before we look for trade, we need to confirm whether we get the internal correction flat based on lower time frame or not. That's mean how deep this one can be. Okay. Anyway, based on daily chart, based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup. We move to forward chart. We move to 1 hour chart. Sorry. Okay, right now based on 1 hour chart, we want to see how we can look for trade. We want to, the only things right now we're looking at this. If we get any correction here, we can look for buy. And what we're looking for a sharp move. That means if we look at the buy setup, what we're looking for the price to, continue as a sharp move, not the corrective move. Okay, because if this one turned to a corrective move, still we can put this one relative to this for one more drop. That's mean the internal flat. Okay, in this case right now we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is we just look at this. We want to see whether this one can turn to a correction for buy or not. If we get the buy, again what we're looking for continuation with the sharp move, not the corrective move. All right, and if this one start to drop with the flag, this is where we can expect the price can retest this low. All right, anyway, it depends what we get here. If this one turn to corrective move, move, deeper correction, we can expect one more drop. All right, and if we want to look for buy, we have to wait for here to get the trade set up for buy. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.